What if just 10 minutes a day could reset your mind, calm your body, and unlock a level of peace you forgot existed? You're not here by accident. This is the meditation your nervous system has been waiting for. In a world that runs on pressure, distraction, and noise, the mind rarely rests, and the body never fully relaxes. From the moment we wake up, notifications clamor for our attention, worries queue up for processing, and the day's demands chase us from one task to the next. But beneath this modern chaos, there's a quiet truth. Science is catching up to what ancient wisdom has known for centuries. The right kind of meditation doesn't just relax you, it rewires you. This isn't about sitting in silence, detached from the world. It's about deep, targeted activation of inner calm, physical release, and mental clarity, all in a single experience. So what makes one meditation stand out from the rest? Why do some techniques leave you restless or bored, while others create a shift so profound you carry it with you all day? The best meditation to relax both mind and body is more than a technique. It's a formula. It brings together breath, body awareness, and guided intention to create a multi-layered shift in your nervous system. Picture this. With every inhale, you invite in calm. With every exhale, you let go of tension you didn't even know you were holding. The body softens, the mind clears. Here's what the most effective practices usually include. First, breathwork. Gentle, rhythmic breathing is more than a relaxation tool. It's a biological reset button. When you slow your breath, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system. Your heart rate drops. Cortisol, the stress hormone, begins to decrease. Your body receives a clear message. You are safe. You can let go. Next, the body scan. This isn't just an exercise in noticing your limbs. It's a systematic journey through each part of your body, inviting awareness and release. As you focus on your feet, your legs, your hands, and your jaw, you discover pockets of tension you've been carrying all day. Sometimes for years, guided attention allows the nervous system to redirect its focus away from stress triggers. Each muscle that softens is another signal to your mind. It's okay to relax. Add to this the power of visualization or guided focus. The mind is easily caught in loops, worrying about the future, replaying the past. But when you're gently guided to imagine a peaceful place, a warm light, or the feeling of energy flowing through you, something remarkable happens. Mental imagery restructures thought patterns, clears mental clutter, and re-engages the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for logic, decision-making, and calm reflection. Suddenly, the storm of thoughts quiets, and a sense of spaciousness returns. Finally, affirmation or intention setting. This is where meditation moves from passive relaxation to active transformation. By repeating a positive phrase, either silently or aloud, you strengthen the emotional tone of your practice. I am safe. I am calm. I am enough. These affirmations help dissolve old narratives and promote self-trust. Over time, your inner dialogue shifts. You become your own source of reassurance and peace. The result of weaving these elements together is profound. Your brainwaves slow from the high alert beta state to the restorative alpha and theta ranges. Your muscles relax. Your nervous system resets. Emotions that have been quietly simmering are released without effort. And in their place, you find clarity, patience, and a renewed sense of self-awareness. But don't just take it from tradition or theory. Experts are seeing these effects in real time. Mindfulness neuroscientist Dr. Layla Hammond explains, the ideal meditation isn't passive, It gently trains the brain to return to safety over and over. The more often it does, the more permanently it learns how to stay there. In this way, meditation becomes less of a break from reality and more of a training session for your nervous system. Each time you practice, you're carving a new path toward resilience and calm. Clinical psychologist Dr. Jordan Vance adds, people think they need silence or stillness to benefit. But true mind-body relaxation happens when the body feels heard and the mind feels safe. Meditation makes that conversation possible. It's not about emptying your mind or forcing your body into stillness. It's about creating a space where both can communicate, listen, and heal together. But here's what most people overlook. When and how you meditate may be even more important than what technique you use. Timing isn't just a detail, it's a catalyst. The brain and body are most receptive to deep relaxation at specific points in the day. For many, early morning, before the rush begins, offers a clear slate for new patterns. For others, the transition into evening is the perfect moment to release the day's tension and prepare for restful sleep. And here's the small mistake that blocks results for so many: approaching meditation like another task to check off, rather than a gift to yourself. When practice becomes mechanical, the benefits fade. But when you approach those 10 minutes with curiosity, with kindness toward yourself, and with an openness to whatever arises, meditation becomes transformative. So, what is the best meditation to relax your mind and body? It's the one that combines breath, awareness, imagery, and intention in a way that feels natural to you. It's the practice that meets you where you are, asks nothing of you but your presence, and gently guides you back to yourself. Meditation isn't about escaping reality, it's about re-entering it, calm, clear, and fully present. The best practices don't require silence, incense, or hours of effort. They just require you, your breath, and the willingness to pause. Because when the mind is still and the body is at peace, everything else realigns. Start today. Your calm is already waiting. All it takes is 10 minutes, a little curiosity, and the courage to simply be.